Welcome to my channel Biology 4 Minute. So this is my first video, and in this video we will be talking about binomial nomenclature. But before going to binomial nomenclature, let's talk about vernacular name. So what are they? Vernacular name are the common name. See, there are millions of plant and animals in our world, and we know them in our world by their local names. But these local names cannot be used by the biologist. Why? Because they differ from region to region and language to language, and also they may have several names in a given area, and they are having the different meaning in the different area. So there was a need to develop a scientific method of nomenclature which ensure that only one name is given to any individual species, and binomial nomenclature came into picture. So it was developed by Carolus Linnaeus, which later changed his name to Carl von Linné. But remember one thing, that proposal was given by Caspar Bohn. Okay. So let's start with the rule. So rule number 1. Biological names are generally taken from the Latin language irrespective of their origin. So whatever they of rule number 2, each organism is given one name that is consist of two words, and first word represent the genus and second word represent the specific epithet. Rule number 3, these names is printed in italics or underlined separately when handwritten to indicate their Latin origin. Rule number 4, the first word of the genus start with the capital letter while the specific epithet start with a small letter. Rule number 5, the name of the author or the discoverer is written after a specific epithet in abbreviated form. For example, the Mangifera Linn. So this Linn represent the discoverer name, that is Carolus Linnaeus. And remember one thing, that this scientist name should not be in italics, it should always be in Roman, and there should not be any comma between scientist name and scientific name. And the last rule is principle of priority, and it is one of the most important of all rules of the ICBN, that is International Code for Biological Nomenclature. And under this, if first name given to the organism is valid, then that will be considered as the first preference. Okay, and any other valid name given after that will be considered as synonym.